Hi, I'm Barry and I'm the course manager for A-Level Physics. Physics is probably the only subject that can either destroy the world or save the world. By studying physics, you will help find solutions to problems such as, can we store energy in sufficient density in batteries? Can we make room temperature superconductors work? You will study quantum mechanics, how physics can be used to make medical scanners, and proton beam therapy could be used to treat tumours at an early stage. How will physics help to save the planet? Battery storage that will allow electric cars to go from A to B without having to charge up.
The reason why I picked physics is I really enjoy broadening my knowledge on how things work. So it's just having that bigger and deeper understanding and meaning of how our planet and how our world and universe works, essentially.
In 2 years of studying physics, we'll take you from GCSE knowledge to A-level knowledge ready for university. We'll study waves, mechanics, materials, things you recognise from GCSE, and we'll take it on, introduce new things like particle physics, astrophysics, and explore nuclear physics. You'll also do lots of practical work and learn lots of practical skills through doing experiments in our fantastically equipped labs. You'll learn to handle new equipment and make precise measurements and get accurate results. So a typical lesson, we do some practical work, mix it in with some theory so that you understand the concepts not only through seeing but also by doing. Digital technology is an important part of the way that we teach, and we have access to laptops for performing virtual experiments where the real equipment is just too expensive. At the end of the course there are 3 2-hour papers, and throughout the course you'll be assessed on your practical work. All of your grade is based on the performance in the papers at the end of the 2-year course. Many students go on to study physics and engineering related degrees at university. Physics is a very desirable degree, essential for engineering courses and essential obviously for physics courses at university. Material science courses value physics very highly as well. Some students will choose to do degree apprenticeships. Physics tests your conceptual thinking skills and your ability to handle numbers in quantitative calculations, a skill that's highly valued by employers.
I'm hoping to be a fighter pilot in the Royal Navy or the Royal Air Force. So this kind of feeds into how aircraft work, but also looking at how gravity works against the aircraft or with the aircraft.
So you'll have the opportunity to visit CERN in Switzerland and have a look at the big particle detectors there close up. And closer to home, we've done trips to the Rutherford Appleton Laboratory just outside of Oxford. We've also visited Airbus at Bristol and seen how aeroplanes get put together. As far as further enrichment goes, you have the opportunity to take part in the Physics Olympiad. There are also conferences that we take part in, run by Oxford University and similar. We really encourage female students to do physics, and this year we're participating in an Aero Women conference run by Leonardo Aviation at Yeovil. Some people ask, is physics hard? Well, it's challenging, and you wouldn't be watching this if you weren't thinking of challenging yourself. I can guarantee it'll be very, very rewarding.
I think at A-level there's a lot more independence, so because now you're going on to adulthood, the teachers are trying to get you to be more independent and more honest with yourself. You know, you've got to be honest with yourself, you've got to work hard yourself, but the teachers are still always there to help you, support you. If there's anything you need, they're always open no matter what.
We have 2 teachers in physics, both very accessible, and we have extra support sessions available when you need them.
Anyone that wants to go definitely down the engineering route, it is, it's a must. It's a really good subject. It's a tough subject, but if you have that curiosity to how everything works, it's a really good subject, and it's a lot of fun, very engaging.
In physics, we've taught hundreds of students who've gone on to university and great things, and it's very exciting for me to think that one of them might solve the world's energy problems, or perhaps discover a new particle, or perhaps land on Mars. Who knows, it could be you. If you choose to study physics at Huish, you'll have great teaching, great equipment, and great opportunities for your future success.